My warmest greetings to all my fellow alumni on our grand reunion and alumni homecoming. Today is a gathering of familiar faces reconnecting with our classmates and rekindling relationships with our long lost friends. And more importantly, a day to revisit our alma mater, the school where we belong, the school where all ambitions, goals, and aspirations in life have started. I would also like to thank the Golden Jubilarian, batch 1974, likewise to Silver Jubilarian, batch 1999, because they are the co-host for today's happening or events. Without their endless effort, this happening could not have been made possible. This is Attorney Larry Ruiz, a CPA lawyer, a former COA Regional Supervising Auditor, and a candidate for Consular, number 22. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.